السلام عليكم. كيف الحال؟ شو الأخبار؟ بكيتنا يوم كلام dumating sa buhay ko. Pilipino'y buksan ang sarado ko puso. Ikaw ba ang nararasakit sa ulo? Kasi wala na buhok. Taring!
Ting. Tortang dulong. Ay, Diyos ko, sarap.
Oh, it's masarap, this fish. What is that?
This is sibrim. I want the head.
Your head will come back.
Tapos tortang dulong.
In Arabic, they believe if you eat the head of the fish, your head will come back. You see your head, left side, swollen.
Swollen.
S-O-E-W-O-L-N. Swollen. How to spell swollen?
S-O-E-W. Kaya tayo.
Kain tayo, John Hormonio.
He's in the Philippines.
Oh. He with family there?
Yeah.
No, I mean he's with family in Saudi Arabia?
No.
In Saudi Arabia, I think it's hard a little bit to bring family. I don't know what is.
No, it's the same like Dubai.
But is I think expensive. Something like something.
This fish is really masarap. Masarap ang tortang dulong galing sa Pilipinas.
Yesterday you buy this one?
No, in Friday night.
Why my head is shining? Like the moon just now awake? Just moon, like the moon awake from the bed.
Full moon.
Yeah.
But how many hours did you sleep?
Just.
You slept from 12.
Oh.
Then you remember I said I will go down to cook? You know what I did? I lie down here in the sofa and I got sleep. I fell asleep also for 30 minutes, yeah.
You feel jealous?
Wow. Pupunta kami sa
You called them?
not answering. Dubai. Kikitain namin ng kapatid na rin. Tsaka mga pamangkin.
I hope so not too much people inside to get the place.
Expect, honey. Weekend and
Too much, huh?
holiday, yeah.
Anyway, we're not cook, just sitting.
Punta kami sa Abel Park.
The way people is going there early to cook. To sitting place. How much now the price? The increase?
5.
Entrance? Same.
5 dirham.
Long time we didn't go there, yeah?
But the parking is 10 dirhams per whole day.
That is, it's not bad. To nobody to, you can find easily?
No, it's still full during the weekend.
10 dirham and full.
Yeah.
I remember before they came from Ijman, some from other country. You know, I asked that 2, 3.
For National Day?
No, other day we saw this one small. They are explaining before. They coming from Ijman.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, you will eat it, this one?
No, I have. Eat it.
I will drink this about. I will go near Abraj to bring.
The chai?
Don't come in our way, maybe we cannot find.
And shawarma?
No, half food there is too much inside.
It's expensive there, honey.
They will not eat big thing, they are eating this.
Honey,
This what is named corn and
can I have water, please?
shawarma is no. You will eat shawarma there.
Thank you.
Shawarma, the problem, not everywhere they making good. Because everybody entering this business, yeah? Not anybody. See, some area is nice, some area not. Most of the time, they don't know how to make it. And shawarma, immediately you have to eat it.
Yeah, as a shawarma, this is the problem. Only nice when it's hot.
You cannot leave it later on.
When it's cold, I don't like. Even if you heat it in the microwave, it's not getting fresh.
You see what you will do? Like that.
Husay, hinigop na ang sabaw.
Alhamdulillah. Very nice soup. You want
Ganyan
this
siya pag nasasarapan sa luto. I don't like it old.
one? All?
Yeah.
Azan?
Mm.
Very early azan now. I will eat luqayma there.
Do you think somebody there will sell the Luqaymat now?
Before they are selling. They will celebrating for business. Have income, everybody will sell. Indian entering Luqaymat. How he know?
Honey, I have video, huh?
Because they make practice, no? They will know it.
I know how to make it. Look, nice Luqaymat.
Baba, Iran is not an Arab country, right?
Yeah. You don't know?
That's what I'm saying. It's Arab and also Turkey.
No, not Arab country.
No, they're not.
They are Persian. But they have people talking Arabic.
Yeah, because she's saying we are Arab.
Most of the people not talking Arabic. 80%. Only maybe 10%. Not Arabic country.
Hi, Sarah's voice very big.
Like our boys. We are talking yesterday with Ahmed, everybody looking, and he didn't feel. Myself, I feel it.
Kalas.